Have you ever wondered what makes truffle risotto an epitome of culinary luxury? Imagine the earthy aroma of truffles melting into the creamy, velvety texture of perfectly cooked risotto. Today, we delve into the art of creating this exquisite dish, a favorite that marries simplicity with elegance. Start by gathering the essentials. Arborio rice, known for its ability to absorb flavors while maintaining a slight chewiness. Fresh truffles, the star of the show. A good quality chicken or vegetable stock. Parmesan cheese for that creamy richness, a splash of white wine, unsalted butter, and a finely chopped shallot. Begin by heating your stock in a saucepan. Keep this simmering gently on a back burner. This warm stock will be gradually added to the risotto, ensuring the rice cooks evenly and absorbs the flavorful liquid. In a separate heavy-bottomed pan, melt a knob of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add the chopped shallots, sautéing until they turn translucent and soft. This is the foundation of flavor. Now stir in the arborio rice. Toast the grains lightly until they're just beginning to turn golden, exuding a nutty aroma. This crucial step is called tostatura, which locks in the flavors. Next, pour in a generous splash of white wine, stirring continuously until the wine has mostly evaporated. This deglazing process lifts the fond or caramelized bits from the bottom of the pan, integrating them back into the risotto for a deeper flavor profile. Now the real magic begins. Add the warm stock one ladle at a time, stirring constantly. Allow each addition to be almost fully absorbed by the rice before adding the next. This slow addition and constant stirring are key to releasing the rice's natural starches, giving risotto its signature creaminess. After about 18 minutes, test the rice. The ideal risotto should be al dente, tender yet firm to the bite. At this point, shave in generous amounts of fresh truffle. The heat of the risotto will release the truffle's volatile compounds, which are responsible for its distinctive, intoxicating aroma. Fold in a good handful of freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a knob of butter to finish. This final step, known as mantecatura, whirls in richness, making the risotto luxuriously smooth and glossy. To serve, spoon the risotto onto warm plates. Garnish with a few more truffle shavings and perhaps a sprinkle of finely chopped herbs for color and freshness. In summary, start by sautéing shallots, followed by toasting the rice. Deglaze with white wine, then slowly add warm stock, stirring constantly. Incorporate fresh truffles and finish with Parmesan cheese and butter for a rich, creamy texture. Dare to try making this truffle risotto yourself. Embrace the process and revel in the creation of a dish that's as delightful to prepare as it is to devour. Bon appétit!